The art of freelancing, crafting your unique career path. Welcome to today's discussion on freelancing, a dynamic and evolving way of work that offers unparalleled opportunities for professionals to shape their careers. In this unique transcript, we'll delve deep into the world of freelancing, exploring its essence, benefits, challenges, and tips to thrive in this exciting realm. Let's begin by defining freelancing. Freelancing is a work arrangement where individuals, known as freelancers, offer their services to clients on a project-by-project basis. These services can range from writing and design to programming and consulting. Freelancers are not bound by long-term contracts with one employer, but instead, they choose their clients and projects based on their expertise and interests. Freelancers wield a unique toolkit. They rely on their skills, experience, and a diverse set of tools and platforms to connect with clients. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Toptal have made it easier than ever to find opportunities and clients from around the world. Freelancing offers a host of benefits. Firstly, it provides the freedom to set your own schedule. You can work when, where, and how you prefer, enabling a work-life balance that suits your needs. This flexibility is especially appealing to those who value independence. Financial independence is another significant advantage. Freelancers often have the potential to earn more than traditional employees due to their ability to take on multiple projects simultaneously. However, it comes with the responsibility of managing taxes and finances independently. Freelancers frequently find themselves working on diverse projects, which helps them expand their skill sets rapidly. The continuous learning curve keeps their expertise current and appealing to a wide range of clients. But freelancing isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Challenges exist too. Uncertainty is a constant companion, as freelancers lack job security. There can be periods of feast or famine, where work flows in waves. Self-discipline and time management are crucial for success. Without a boss to keep you in check, it's easy to procrastinate or overcommit. Finding the right balance takes practice. Client management is equally vital. Freelancers must excel not only in their craft but also in communication and client relationships. Reputation is everything, and one bad review can have lasting effects. So, how can you thrive as a freelancer? First, specialize in a niche where you excel. Becoming an expert in a specific field can help you stand out. Network and build relationships. Word of mouth can be a powerful source of referrals. Invest in your skills. Continuous learning keeps your offerings fresh and relevant. Manage your finances wisely. Budgeting and saving for lean times are essential. Embrace the freelance community. Sharing experiences and advice with fellow freelancers can be invaluable. Freelancing is a unique and rewarding way to craft your career path. It offers the freedom to choose your projects, the potential for financial success, and the opportunity to continuously grow your skills. However, it comes with its own set of challenges that require self-discipline and adaptability. By mastering the art of freelancing, you can enjoy a fulfilling and prosperous career on your terms. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of freelancing, where your skills and passion can lead you to unique opportunities and a fulfilling professional journey. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about freelancing, feel free to reach out to experts in the field or explore resources online. We wish you the best of luck in your freelancing endeavors.